I decided that I'm going to use 3 tones of blue in this design. And I can start with the darkest, the lightest, or the medium. Well, let's try to do the medium. My pencil tip is quite flat. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to use. I'm using a rather flat tip. And I cover the section. And then I cover it in a cross section. I do cross section. And now, is it medium enough? I am going over the whole detail, making sure that no light spots left on the edges, no uneven spots anywhere. I must leave the section as even as possible. And then I do another one. I'm trying to achieve exactly the same result. Medium, not too bright, not too light. I'm holding my pencil flat, so the tip of the pencil does not get sharper, because I need an even surface. And the flat tip is the best if we want to create an even result. It was a little bit too pale, so I am making the color a little bit more intensive. Okay, and the next one, and the next one, until I do all of them. And as I progress, I keep checking, are all these sections, do they all have the same tone? And now, as we have all the middle tone sections ready, I'm going to do the lightest ones. So these tiny triangles in between, they're going to be the lightest tone. And now I have such a flat tip, it's very easy to put it on paper. And of course now I have the star in the middle, which I'm going to do the darkest. And I instantly put more pressure. And I start with one tip, and then I go to another tip, and then I go to another tip, I'm trying to be very neat in the corners, so every corner looks well defined. And now I can put my pencil slightly on a side, so I have a sharper line when I want to define a very, very bright, if I want to make a very, very bright line to define a corner. And now we have this white spot in the middle, which is absolutely not good. We have to blend everything together to create an even surface.